cold, humid. Yeah, it's a little bit of wind as well. Yeah,
All
but
right.
yeah,
Even here in
yeah, something
Brisbane, we
good.
have 3 days raining.
Yeah, it's been raining as well here for 3 days. I think it's going to continue tomorrow as well. And then, but at least it's not too cold. You know, it's the temperature is not too cold, which is good. It's rainy and everything. It's great,
Yeah.
but the temperature is not too cold.
Okay. I would be traveling, I think, December 13.
Yes, well done. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Yeah.
And the buyer did provide the certificate of money laundering that his fund is free.
Mhm.
And he
Well done.
provided an
Well done.
ECOWAS certificate as well.
So in about 14 days, you're gonna travel.
Yes,
Hold on. Today's what? Is it the
the,
1st of December? Yeah.
the 1st of December. Yeah.
Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday on
Oh,
the 30th
belated happy
of November.
birthday. My
Yeah, thank you
birthday
very
is on
much.
December 12 as well.
Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, in 14 days, or 13 days now, because it's the 1st of December. So well done.
And January 5, another 10 kilos. So I have to travel back and forth. Mm.
Yeah. Cool.
I'm gonna
That's
stay in
very good.
Dubai for a while because I'm gonna take my lab for a tour in Dubai.
Yeah. But take advantage
Yeah,
of traveling to
yeah.
bring your family there as well, so they can get to know Dubai.
Yes, I will. So because I'm going to back and forth after this transaction, this 500 kilos, then I have to travel
Yeah.
back again on 10 kilos.
Great.
Mm.
That's very nice.
It's
Very
not
nice.
easy, Oliver. It's not easy.
I know, and I've seen it. I've been with you for some years, so it's I can see it's difficult. So that's why I say you deserve it, because every day, Monday to Sunday, you're on the phone taking people.
Yes, I'm interviewing
jokers,
them and
brokers.
yes,
So yeah, so
rejecting
it's not easy for
them.
you.
And if
Yeah.
they,
So
and
that's
if
why
they
I say
don't
you
meet the
deserve it.
criteria, they don't like it.
That's why
Yeah.
I say you deserve it, because you put a lot of hard work. So when you see someone, put a lot of hard work, and then there's some reward, yeah, it's good. It's good. Very good.
Yeah. There's a lot of buyers that now they realize that you cannot just take this gold without proper process. You wouldn't. You wouldn't. There was a news on YouTube, an Australian mining company in Mali, and they have mining site as well in Conakry.
I want to show you something. I'll send you something. Speaking about Australia, I need to show you something. I saw yesterday something about Australia and Dubai. I will search it later on.
What happened to Australia in Dubai? What happened?
There's a lot of money laundering between those two countries.
Yes.
Australia and Dubai. I'll send it to you. I watched it yesterday evening. Yeah, so I'll send it to you. I'll go back into my history on YouTube and then send it to you.
That is the reason why. That is the reason why I'm very strict, and I advise my seller that do not take it for granted, because if you are not very careful, you are going to be accused as a gold laundering, right? So now the seller are aware. This buyer of mine, he provide me everything. ECOWAS certificate, money laundering certificate, etc., etc. So now every day I learn as well from both buyers and seller. The seller has no idea. They just want to get money, and this is wrong. This Australian mining company in Mali, they didn't pay taxes for many years, 160,000 US, and their mining was been stopped, and they were being arrested until they paid royalty and taxes. $160,000. I will show you the video that the executive mining company in Australia, they were there. I think 3 executive, they were being arrested during the meeting. Yes, during the meeting.
I'll I've sent it to you now. Once you finish the call, have a look at this. It's not long. I think it's 15 minutes, not too long.
Those
But
buyers those buyer thinking, oh, I want to buy gold, bring it to Dubai, no upfront fee. There is no upfront fee. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. Hmm.
yeah,
Those idiot buyers in Dubai. Dubai is a nice country. They use the country as a tax haven, and most of the foreigner they register their business in Dubai. They think they can launder the money. Well, you can launder, but at the end of the day, if you're gonna be caught, that's it. That's it. You're kaboom. Mm. You're gonna be kaboom. Mm.
yeah.
So that is the reason why.
Exactly.
You know, Oliver. Since I handle sellers in Africa, 2011, there are so many joker broker. They don't like my guts. They don't. They hate my guts. It's too bad for them because I'm not here to be like. You have the money, we have the gold. Mhm. I,
Exactly. Simple.
yeah, it's
Very
simple.
simple.
I don't.
You don't care. You don't care. You don't care. Look, you're here to do a business. You're not here to make friends. So yeah,
Exactly. I get out from LinkedIn because I was being attacked on LinkedIn. They're all joker broker. LinkedIn is
yeah,
a
yeah.
nice site to link people, but this joker broker they abuse that site. That is why I get out. YouTube is the best, and Facebook is the best site. I buy gardening tools via Facebook. I buy everything on Facebook advertisement. I advertise as well that Africa is the main source of supply. Mm. But
Mhm.
this idiot middlemen, they don't understand. They think about, oh, sign in, see in the in. No, I'm not. To me, you are
Yeah,
just a
yeah, yeah.
joker. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
We want the real
Exactly.
buyer. Now the real buyer found this buyer, he found us on YouTube channel. Yeah.
Mhm.
He found me. And immediately he has no hesitation. Sent me everything necessary I require. And
I
when
mean,
he
there's nothing to lose. There's nothing to
exactly.
lose. I mean, if really, I mean, you going with someone. First of all, you're not from Africa. You're not African, so that should give you a little bit of he's African himself. He's from Nigeria. He said he's from Nigeria. So
Yes.
when you're dealing with some other people, because I'm African. So obviously, if you know someone is over there in Australia and she has some contact here back in your own continent, that means it's she can't do no no. She doesn't have time to do no scam or something like that. I mean,
Exactly.
for me, that's the way I will process my thinking. You know, and that's the way I've done it with you a long time ago, years ago. I've done it. I
Yes.
said, no, this. Obviously, when you meet a person for the first time on the internet, you will think he's a scammer. But if you follow them calmly, slowly, and see if they are, they're repeating the same stuff, their behavior is the same, then after that, they can give you a hint that they're not scammers. So for me, I told you long time ago, I met you on the internet. I think I was one of your first ones even to discover you on the internet. I was following you in the dark, and
Mm-hmm.
then I was like, no, this lady, she's the real deal. She is the real deal. So ever since I've been following you.
Yesterday, I interview a lady from United Kingdom, and
Mhm.
she doesn't introduce her name, and she's very rude. And she sent me his business card, and I told her,
Mhm.
"Your business card is nothing to me." And if you don't introduce properly who you are, in the beginning, she just say hi, and I told her, "My name is not Hi. You already found me, therefore, therefore you know my name." That is, you
Yeah.
are unprofessional. When I when I search something, I always introduce my name. Hi, this is Wilhelmina Ford. This I'm searching for something. So this lady
Mhm.
from
Mhm.
United Kingdom, she said that she's a buyer, and I told her, please don't bullshitting to Wilhelmina, because I
Mhm.
know that you are not a buyer because you are collecting information. I don't mind that you are collecting information, but you learn how to introduce yourself. Because I'm very strict.
Mm-hmm.
And I block her and I delete her so that she would not come back. At the
Very
middle
good.
of our
Very good.
conversation, she said that she has plenty of buyers, so therefore she's not a buyer. She's not.
Oh, they always say that. So you have plenty of oh, she says she has plenty of buyer or sellers.
She has plenty of buyers. She wanted to know my seller's mining license and export license.
You see,
And
those people, it's never the buyer that's really making those calls. It's always the mandate, it's
yes,
always the brokers,
yes.
the middleman. It's never a real buyer, you know.
There's a lot of real buyer, but the real buyer, they are also lazy. They are. That is why I'm always putting an update on my YouTube and on Facebook. Now we are now on digital information. Why I purchase garden tools from Facebook advertise. I also advertise that we have gold in Africa. I am the extension. I am the gatekeeper of the seller. I will determine which seller I'm going to bring you. This is what I have said to this lady. And she's very arrogant. And she's African. And she based in United Kingdom. And I told her, please don't bullshitting to me. Because I'm not here to bullshit people. I am here to correct the crookedness of both buyers and seller. Mhm. And she said that, oh, I have plenty of buyers in Dubai. And I told her, okay, good luck and buy.
Yeah. Everyone has plenty of buyers. Even me, I'm not making any deal. I have plenty of buyers. The thing is to connect them to the real sellers, and the challenge is to convince the buyer to come on the ground and connect them with a real supplier. So that's the challenge.
Yes, the challenge is very easy. It's really very easy, the challenge. If you are the buyer, assuming you are the buyer, and we are now on the digital information. It's easy. You can detect whether Wilhelmina is real or not. Because if Wilhelmina is a scammer, she wouldn't show her face. She wouldn't. The scammer are scared. Yeah?
They overthink it. People, they overthink it. They'll say, okay, she's showing her face, but she must know something that I don't know, or there's a new scam going around. People overthink it sometimes.
They're scared of me. They're scared.
Exactly. They overthink it. But for me, I didn't see it like that.
They are scared with this woman. In fact, when I was a member of a LinkedIn many years ago, and I warned everyone, never double cross with this bulldog because I wouldn't barge in. I'm going to bite you. Mhm, mhm. I'm going to bite you. And I'm Rottweiler. They're scared of my guts. Well, why are you scared for? The seller hired me because they're also losing gold. They were being ripped off by a foreigner. I told my sellers, if foreigner come to your country, they are ripping you off. But you also ripping them off. Both buyers and sellers are ripping each other. Why? Because you only think about money. And this buyer, they also think about profit. They will get the profit when you do the process properly. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So with this new guy coming, how long is the contract? Have you signed the contract for?
12 months.
12 months, 1 year. Okay, no, that's good. So buy for 12 months. Very good, very good. So on each transaction, is it like a 500 kg every month, or
Actually, they wanted the one ton. I discouraged them, and I told them that start 500. You need to establish a business relationship in the office because you are signing a long-term contract. The most important, you need to meet the CEO and the family because this business is run by the family. So when I send this buyer mining site of the seller that they have 500 acres, okay, and they saw the map about gold and diamond, he was very surprised. And you know what the buyer said, Madam, thank you that I found you. You're the best of all the best. And I told this buyer, thank you for the compliment. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Definitely, definitely. Definitely. That's why I say to everyone, she's my best, Wilmina is my best real contact that I can, not scared of bringing someone to her because, she proved herself many times to me. So that's the only person, I can send it to. She's my best, send someone to, sorry. So, yeah, she's my best contact.
You know,
Unfortunately.
it's very easy for me. And you know, our selling price less 8%. And the best discount. Actually, the seller would not give you 8%. I was the one who told the head office, let's give the buyer 8% in order for them to get the profit as well. Now, the system that I introduced to my head office is very simple and very unique. You buy the gold, we exchange your vital information. I can give you more than 8%. Mhm. Because when I gather your vital information, your credential, the head office will say, okay, Wilhelmina, this buyer that you have interviewed, he is very serious. Yes, we can give him a leeway. So at the end of the day, the buyer get the profit. So when you resell the gold to your customer, it's 2%. You're gonna be multimillionaire in 12 months. Hmm, you will, because I am here to help you to renegotiate the price. Even though it's 8%, I can still pressure the seller. Now nowadays buyers say, "Oh, I want to buy gold, no upfront." There is no upfront, as I have said many times. You have to pay the gold plus value added tax. Look at this mining company in Mali, and Guinea, Australian mining company. They didn't remit the royalty and the taxes, 160,000. They were being arrested. You as the buyer, if you are really crooked and you are going to launder the gold, yes, 100% you are going to be arrested as well. 100%. So therefore, my job is very crucial because I have to make sure that when I bring the buyer in the office, I sit down with my head office and the buyer, this is it. Now, in advance, I'm going to ask the seller, you need to provide the child labor certificate coming from the owner of the gold. The seller has to provide certificate of money laundering, certificate of ECOWAS. If the country is a member of ECOWAS, yes, you need the ECOWAS certificate. You need it. Because when you're going to bring that to Dubai, Dubai now is getting strict. Mm. Dubai is getting strict. Just imagine this buyer, uh, 10 kilos, right? He applied for a certificate of money laundering. It took him 2 months to apply, and he was being asked a lot of requirements. Who he is. Now I learn as well from the buyer. That's why I'm sharing to the world that you cannot just buy gold to cut corner because you are gonna lose money, and you are going to lose gold. Just like Franklin from Finland. His gold was being confiscated in Nairobi. He was not being guided properly. And he found me on YouTube.
No, no. Look, in Nairobi, this is a scam. This is a scam.
No, the gold is coming from no, the gold is coming from Sierra Leone and stop over in Nairobi. And I told him, why did you do that? I said, well, I was.
It's a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam.
He lost 400,000. He lost 400,000.
No. It's a scam from the start. It's so the people basically who sold them the gold, because this is something you don't know. But the people who sold them the gold, they are in how do you call this in English? They're basically on the same team.
No. That's wrong. Okay, may I explain to you? This buyer, he's from Finland. He pay, and the contract was 20 kilos. Okay, and the owner says, okay, we will add 10 kilos to make it 30. So when arrive in Nairobi, when you are on transit, your metal box will be open. Okay, they will inspect. So on the document is 20 kilos. When they inspect, was 30 kilos. So
yes, I know. That's what I'm saying. Not to cut you off, but it's done on purpose. It's done on purpose. I've seen that before.
That's right.
You think um they're friendly by giving you by adding 10 more kg, but it's a trap. It's a trap for
No,
you
the
to get
seller
in
is the
trouble.
one. No, the buyer was innocent. He was been attracted because okay, I will pay you when I arrive in Dubai. But and
Yes,
he explained to
It's a
me.
trap.
And
Yes.
I told this buyer, why did you accept it? And he said, oh, I was being told no problem, no problem. And I told this buyer, the word no problem, I don't like to hear that. Because at the end of the day, there would be no problem.
It will be a
There would be
problem.
a problem.
Exactly.
And my seller
Oh
say, no
my God.
problem, no problem. I really
No,
hate that. I
there
hate
will
that.
be a problem, especially in Africa.
I even told my head
Especially,
office, refrain telling no problem because I don't want to listen. I don't want to hear that. Because at the end of the day, there would be a problem. Use the word,
yes,
we will do it. We will, uh, we will prepare everything, but don't tell me no problem because I don't like to hear that. Mhm.
exactly.
So that is why my
For your
head
buyer,
office are scared of me. Yeah, I swear in
yeah,
the office. Mm.
for your new buyer, it's okay because he's not too far. He's in Nigeria,
It's
so
not far.
it's very, yeah, yeah,
And he's bringing his private plane. And he's a wealthy man. He's a wealthy man.
yeah.
And
Well, the
and he saw all the company profile and the mining site. He's very confident, very 1,000,000% confident. That is the reason why Joker broker are scared of my caliber. My knowledge is very deep, and no one can measure my knowledge. I always mention that to my YouTube channel. Knowledge is worth $1,000,000. I earn this knowledge. You cannot get this knowledge to the university. You can get this knowledge to the University of Hard Knocks from Wilhelmina. Yes.
open your school. You should open your school.
My knowledge is vast. That's why my head office loves it. My head office always following my YouTube, and they were just laughing on the boardroom. My gosh, this woman is very tough. Mm. See,
Very good, very good.
so this is
Yeah,
how
that's nice.
this is it. Now 2025, I watched the Kitco website. My goodness, the gold will rise 3,500 per kilo per ounce.
Mm. So you has he paid you already for your services, or he's planning to?
No, he's going to send it to me because I have to
Okay,
invoice him. I'm not in a hurry.
exactly.
I'm not in a hurry. There's
Okay,
plenty time.
because the
1 week
13
before.
the 13 is almost there.
Yeah,
1 week before. Okay.
I'm going to send my invoice, my service fee.
If you can, I know it's you can't do it because you said you can't film the gold because of scammers. But if you can do some videos from you
I
to
will
me,
do
only
that.
to me, not to, yeah, yeah, not to me, so at least I can shut some mouth when I speak to some people. You say, so for example, I don't know. You see, Oliver, here I am in
I will
factory
mention your name.
closing.
I
Yeah,
will mention
exactly.
your name.
I
Don't
need
you
to shut some mouth as well, because
don't you know that
I'm
if
fighting for you so hard. The people say, "Oh no, that's another scammer." I say, "Look, this lady, I've been following her for years. She's not a scammer, and I wouldn't even bring you to no one except her. When it comes to Africa, I reject everyone.
you
But
know
for her,
you
I
know
can close my
Oliver,
eyes."
when the buyers say, "Oh, William is a scammer," he is the one. The meaning of his scam means he is going to lie. He's going to deceive. You cannot lie to
Yeah,
me.
so
You cannot deceive to me because I'm gonna request you open your camera. I already knows you. We have a live video call, so I'm very confident of you. Any buyer are scared to open their camera. He is not a
yeah,
buyer. He is
exactly,
not.
exactly,
Because if I am the
100%.
buyer, I'm going to open my camera just like this 500 kilos. He opened his camera. He's a very professional. He's confident. That is the type of buyer that we are looking for. That is it.
100%.
100%.
100%.
Mm.
Yes, yes,
And those
yes, yes,
joker
yes.
broker, oh, send me the procedure. And I told them, this joker broker, please go back and read. Did you go to school? Mm.
Yeah, the thing is, they read it, but they want to understand what they want to understand, and
Well,
they want to
they,
take what
well, they
they
didn't go
want
to
to take
school then.
what arrange them. But yeah, so it clearly says FCO, FCO, FOB, be on the ground. You know.
That's
But
right.
oh, can I just pay for the taxes?
No.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? It says FOB.
That's
Can I
right.
keep bargaining for taxes?
The
So
buyer
yeah,
cannot afford to pay the gold and he can only afford to pay taxes, meaning to say he's going to launder. That is the type of a person that he's going to launder. We cannot afford
yeah,
to launder because the seller, his license can be revoked if the government found out that the seller is involved in gold laundering. He's going to be in trouble. So we cannot do that. That's all.
okay.
Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Oliver.
Oh yeah, you too, you too. So yeah, so we'll keep me updated on your trip. Hopefully everything will go very well, and yeah, we'll speak soon. Merry Christmas to you, to your family. You know, this is the month of the festivities.
Yes.
So yeah, so very well done.
Christmas
And,
is
yeah,
just
so
around the corner, don't you know?
yeah, it's 3 weeks now.
Yes, that's the way.
3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. That's perfect. That's a perfect way of ending the year. You know, you closing a deal. That's very good.
That's
for
the
you.
biggest
Very
the
well.
biggest order end of 2024. The biggest order.
That's very good.
1
That's
ton.
very good, very good.
1
Well
ton.
done, well done, well done, well done. Yes, yes. Okay, Wilhelmina, speak to you soon. Enjoy your weekend and we'll speak soon.
I'm still working, you know, I work 7 days a week, don't you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, no worries.
All right,
definitely.
nice talking to you, Oliver.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, on behalf of my seller in Mali, Sierra Leone, and Conakry, we wish you a pleasant Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. We are now on December 1st, 2024. I just finished talking to my network in London and he was been following me. He's not scared to mention his name because he loves it and he loves to share it what he has experienced in the past. Okay, so our selling price it varies from day to day. So go on Kitco or on the world market, whatever the price of the day, less 8%. And when you resell it to your end customer, that is your business. You are not buying refined here. You are not. You are buying unrefined with its gold bar dore. Now, this morning, I have a very good interviewed buyer from Switzerland. And I'm going to share this with you so that when you bump into this video, you will realize that this gold business is not for everyone. So when I interviewed this buyer from Switzerland, he's a big buyer, and he asked me if my seller has an account of Brinks. Now let's talk about Brinks. Brinks is the shipper. My head office has its own shipping agent. Mhm. The gold cannot be handed over to Brinks unless you, as the buyer, pay the gold. We don't deal SBLC, standard letter of credit, meaning to say you are going to leverage. So if you're asking is BLC, CIF, cost insurance and freight and and block fund, to me you are going to launder because gold is a very tricky business. Now that is the reason why I'm always putting my video on my YouTube platform and on Facebook in order to educate potential buyer around the world. Now I was the one who introduced this. I used to be in real estate and I'm already retired. Someone from Africa hired Wilhelmina to handle marketing for them. For short, I am a gatekeeper of the office and I am also your business facilitator. Now, you don't need a chain of joker, broker, or middlemen. You don't need it. We are now on digital information. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Facebook, you can search anywhere. My video pop up into your screen when you search gold in Africa. Because I have several video on my YouTube channel. I put date so that you will be aware the price of the day. Now don't bank on the price because it changes in every half an hour. The most important, you read the full corporate offer on this video, subscribe and click below, then you digest it properly. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you are prepared. Because I put the full corporate offer very extensively. You have to read it, what necessary requirement you are going to comply to us, especially to this lady. When you send me your business registration, importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000, then I will believe. Then we will respond to you in accordance to your requirement. How many quantity? We don't sell 1 kilo. We don't sell 2 kilos here. There is now minimum. Now, the world is crying for supply because of the geopolitical situation. That is why the price of gold is getting higher and higher. Now, don't panic because you are buying directly from the producer. Wilhelmina will assist you in order to get the fair price. Now, you are going to be charged my services. This information is free, but when I travel with you, it's a different. I do charge $20,000 to assist you in order to get the gold in a proper way. Now, next year, 2025, my service fee would be $25,000. Previous year, 2014, 18, 19, 20, my services was only 10,000. Then 2023, 15,000. 2024, 20,000. Now, next year, 25,000. When the gold is high, gold is expensive, you are dealing expensive item. My services is also expensive. Now, if you cannot afford, it's okay. At least you listen to this video. At least you read the full corporate offer. Do not come unless you are well prepared. And when you found this video, do not send me a message on WhatsApp na hi, hello, because my name is not hi. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Australia. I don't have gold here. The gold is in Conakry. The gold is in Mali. The gold is in Sierra Leone. I will determine which seller I'm going to place you when you meet the criteria. How are you able to meet the criteria? You read the full corporate offer in front of you. Click below, digest it and comprehend. And when you are ready, then you come for conference, open your camera. If you are from Dubai, download button because I want to see you. I want to see your face, whether you are ugly or good looking. I'm sure you are good looking. I'm sorry if I'm very brutal because I am very brutal. I done it purposely. There's a saying, I have to be cruel to be loved because this is very tricky business and dangerous business. I encounter a lot of fly-by-night buyer. Some are involved in money laundering. We don't involve in money laundering. You as the buyer, you need to produce a certificate of clearance that your fund is free of money laundering. And the seller will also certify that his gold is not involved on gold laundering. So if you are just pretending that you're a buyer and then floating around, running around and fishing around, well, you're going to be beaten by the shark. There's a saying in the parable of business. You're canoeing on the shallow river. There are so many sharks. You are going to be beaten if you are not very careful. Wilhelmina is here to guide you. Wilhelmina is here to tell the world that do not cut corner. I watched on YouTube, there was an Australian mining company was arrested in Mali. There's also Chinese was arrested in Conakry. Why? Because they are cutting corner. They don't declare it. The seller has to pay the government sales tax. You need to pay the gold plus valued added tax. Now our price is already packaged. The valued added tax is already on the price, but you are paying high premium. We don't sell tomato here. We are selling premium product because gold is money you are buying. There is a saying, gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rules. You don't need to make the rules. You follow the rules of the country so that you will not be arrested at the end of the day. You got me, Mr. Baya? I've been explaining many times on my video. If you don't listen, save money, come back to Wilhelmina. Because I am here to do business. I am here to tell the world Africa is the main source. Africa, 98% gold produced in Africa. Chinese, Indian, Canadian, American, Dubai people, Middle East people, Australian people, Chinese, Hong Kong people. Why are there in Africa? There is business. Why Chinese are everywhere? They have business. There is a business. Mineral, precious mineral coming from Africa. So please do not embezzle the country because the government has changed. You cannot take the gold out of the country without paying the gold. There is no upfront here. You pay whether you like it or not. Now going back to Brinks, I have a discussion with the joker broker, and he said that his buyer was been searching for a year. He didn't find the gold, and suddenly this joker broker, he found me. I explained it to him that the buyer has an account of Brinks. Just like when you ship the gold to DHL, if you're a businessman, you have an account to DHL. You have a credit. And this buyer from Switzerland, he said he has an account to Brinks. Now, the Brinks would not accept gold unless fully documented. Now, I think in Mali, they can handle Brinks, but I have no idea. I'm not involved on Brinks. We have the gold. It's up for you to deal with Brinks. Now, if you want to buy gold in Mali, you do the search. We have the gold. We will provide you the gold. Now, in Mali, the tax is 7%. You have to pay for it, or else you would not get the gold out of the country. You need to pay the gold plus government valued added tax. In Conakry, the valued added tax 6.5. In Sierra Leone, 6.5. So don't ask me, because the seller would tell us, will tell you, and the seller will tell me how much. I'm just giving you the pre-conversation. In your country, when you buy something, there is always valued added tax. Here in Australia, I live in Brisbane. When I purchase anything, there is a government sales tax, 10%. Okay? So don't say that, oh, I don't want to pay taxes, or I want to pay taxes only. To me, you are gold launderer. You are going to launder. Very dangerous. You don't have the money. And you are going to lose the gold. Because if you only pay taxes and the seller would not give you lot of information, yes, when the gold arrive in your country, the custom will say, where is this vital information? You need to produce money laundering certificate coming from you, Mr. Baya. Because when you bring the gold, the custom will ask, where is the certificate of money laundering that your payment is clean. And the seller will certify that his gold is free of illegal activities. Without that, you will going to encounter disaster. I think my explanation is enough. So again, once again, do not come to Wilhelmina unless you read this full corporate offer. Every video, the full corporate offer are the same. I just came in because I interviewed Oliver from United Kingdom. He is my network. He doesn't mind to have a live conference. I just finished having a conference. You listen to my conversation, then you gain knowledge. Knowledge is free, but actually you cannot buy knowledge. Knowledge is worth $1,000,000. But when I travel, is another one. I'm giving you free of my knowledge, my vast knowledge. You will never find this kind of knowledge to any joker broker. They are just a time waster. Why I call them joker? Because they don't read. They are wasting time. They are pretending to be a buyer. They are just a joker broker online. They are fishing around. What happened? They landed to this lady. And I'm very strict and I'm very brutal. Take it or leave it, you get the gold. If you don't have the fund, if you cannot produce or you cannot convince Wilhelmina, I'm sorry, you would not able to get the gold. There's so many fake offer. Go for it. Go for it. There's so many fake offer in Kampala, so many fake offer in Nairobi, in Ghana. There's so many of fake offer, but we don't offer you in like that. This is a real offer. What is the meaning of full corporate offer? We are here to promote Africa. You are buying gold from Africa. Okay? You are buying 22 plus carats. The purity is from 96, 97, 98. So please read the full corporate offer on this video, subscribe and click below, then we can do business. Remember, we are now on December 1st. Christmas is just around the corner. Now, the office would be closed December 20. They stop mining, but still the supply is available in the office. I'm open 7 days a week. The office will only come to the office when the buyer order the supply. Now, Mr. Buyer, I will repeat again. You need to convince Wilhelmina. Whether you are from Dubai or America, Switzerland, Hong Kong, Middle East, you need to convince Wilhelmina. You need to be prepared. And when you bring gold to your destination, you need to ask your custom how much importation tax. Because you are going to declare that. Okay? And the seller will also remit the valued added tax to his government. That is an income. Okay, that is why we give you a leeway, 8% discount. But if you convince Wilhelmina, I can renegotiate the price more than 8% because you are paying my services. And I need to be with you on the ground. In case there is an issue, I could discuss with the office and I could find a backup. Do not travel without invitation. And do not call me that you are in Sierra Leone, that you are in Mali, you are in Conakry, and you are stranded. You need gold. I'm sorry, I wouldn't be able to assist you because our policy, you as the buyer, you need to comply and you need to be officially invited exclusively for us because you signed the contract, meaning to say you are our company guest. You are well protected. You don't need to be scared. When I travel to Africa, I don't have any security guard because the head office is the one who protect me because I work for them and you are using my extra service. Does that make sense? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening once again. On behalf of my seller from Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone, we wish you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year, the year 2024. Welcome to 2025.